Yo, welcome back to the R.A.D episode of the Skatepark Check-In. I'm your host, Vincent BASILE, and you're here for a R.A.D session of Holland Skatepark. Is that it? I forgot my lyrics. I forgot my script. And ride all day.
That's at the end.
Sorry, line? Yo, welcome back to the New Jersey Skatepark Check-In. I'm your host, Vincent BASILE here, and I brought ASHTON HILLIKER and Anthony BIONDO behind the lens. Today we brought you here to the Holland Skatepark here in New Jersey. Come on in, guys, let's go.
That's not quite it. Yo. Welcome back to another episode of the R.A.D Skatepark Check-In. I am Vincent BASILE, and we got Anthony BIONDO behind the lens, and we got ASHTON HILLIKER and Matt WEITMAN. Today we arrived at the Holland Playground Skatepark right here in Elizabeth, New Jersey, episode 7. Episode 7.
Episode 7.
If you're not sure what we're doing, we're getting inside each and every skate park and we're showing them to you. I believe this skate park was built by Spoon Ranch. It's a hot day, summertime, so we're gonna have ourselves a R.A.D session. And yeah, that's the spiel, guys. We give it to you and let's go inside, right? Come on, go. Like the main gate, you would expect it to be open. The gate is locked. We did notice an entrance over there in that parking lot. This is technically like your entrance into the park. As you make your way around the park, you got your features on the outside and then you have like your inside. Feature number 1, what are we looking at, Ashton?
This little humpy thing.
Humpy thing. Nope. Feature number 1, little snake run, catch speed. It looks really crusty on the sides. I'm sure you could grind it, slide it, whatever. Right next to feature numero 1 is, Ashton, what are we looking at?
A ledge.
We're calling it a double ledge.
2-tier ledge.
2-tier. 4 stairs and 2 hubbas.
Very small.
Very small, but I like it. Right next to that is 2 little disc banks, wide open, flat ground section here, and I don't know.
They're really Euros, though, I would say, too.
Oh, yeah,
I mean, they're
if you want
banks, but...
Yeah, it's how you look at it. I wasn't looking at it like that. There's a 4 stair. And then here's unique features. Kind of like a wall ride. There's no coping. It's just crust. And it's like mirrored on this side, so. Yo, skating in luxury, you know? Talk about like your essentials. Man, we got it good. Oh shit, someone in there?
Chess table over there.
That is right.
They got a water fountain over there. Pergola over there.
Yeah, dude, ringing them off. Is that a bank? I am not skating this thing like a bank. It's different. I've never seen this kind of feature. It's like cut up. This is unique. I've seen it, but like, have you seen this and that like together?
Yeah, well.
Together.
Doesn't Cooper have them?
They
or
have them,
Forest
but
Park?
not together. If I'm wrong, tell me.
We'll have to double check.
Check those videos out. I don't know.
It's been a while.
But I like that curved ledge right here under the trees. This is amazing. It's nice flat bar, not round, it's squared off a little bit. Perfect. Nice and long. Nice little rainbow rail. And then like flat ground area, you're like boom, 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 boom. Let me say Ashton, what are we looking at? What do you call it?
Outledge manual pad.
Outledge manual pad. I think that's a quick setup. You gotta have quick feet. Do a trick on the bank. Seen this kind of bank in like Mastic, all over the place. Cooper.
Takeoff zone.
That's the park. We showed it to you. I know these guys are itching. Let's see what kind of clips we produce here at the Holland Playground Skate Park right here in New Jersey. Let's get these clips. Let's skate, warm up, and do our thing. Clips.
Yeah.
Is that in a book somewhere?
No, there is no rules.
So being a gangster, there's no rules.
Yeah, you could break the rules. Ground report, it's smooth. Some grasses over here, and we have some little cracks on the ground if you look around. But like we said, smooth.
What do you think, Ashley?
Smooth.
Yeah, the ground is good here. Concrete, smooth all around. No complaints, little trees in the back, but you know, other than that, ground has been good. No complaints, but that's your ground report. Thank you for watching. Please hit that like button if you found the video helpful. Please
Please subscribe.
All right, dude, shut up. We're live. We're live. All right, everybody, thank you for watching the Holland Playfield skate park. If you found the video helpful, please hit that like button. If you are not subbed to the channel, please hit that subscription button. Help us out in the algorithms, help us grow our channel. Shout out to Matt Whiteman. Shout out to ASHTON HILLIKER.
Yeah.
Shout out to Anthony Biondo, and shout out to all the locals that we ran into here. Follow us on Instagram at R.A.D Boardsport Co. Check the website out, www.radboardsport.co. But more importantly, please hit that subscription button. I might have said that 100 times. Can't say that enough. Thanks for watching episode 7. Elizabeth, New Jersey.
Ride all day.
Do you have anything to say? Nobody has anything to say.
Ride all
Does
day.
anyone have anything positive to say about the skate park? What did you like the most?
The rail.
What did you like the most?
The ledges.
I liked everything in this park. Thank you to Spone Ranch for building a great park. I think every gate from there, behind Ant, over there is locked. And I think they locked it at like 2 or something. They just came here. There's just people in here. 2 ladies were in here hanging out, I think after church, watching, sitting on the bench. And homie just locked the gate. I don't know if that's like an everyday thing. The main gate was locked when we pulled in, so we skated around the corner to the parking lot, which had a gate over there, and then that just randomly we're locked in. That's probably why the fence is all pulled back over there. I don't know why it would be locked. I don't know what the point is of locking a public skate park. Porta potties, you mentioned that. That's great, very nice. Water fountain that works. Pergola, like Anthony said, pavilion for shade. Holland Playfield skate park. I had a lot of fun today.
Same.
And like I always say, guys, don't forget to ride all day.